Good morning. Right, this is about the laboratory, the second week of the laboratory we'll get into. But before that, let me tell you, in the lab, I have added one more assignment which you can see. And yesterday in theory, we were talking about the role of operating system in terms of protection and security management. So we said that one, okay, a mechanism for controlling the access of the processes or user to resources defined by the operating system, right? And Himarashmi Manoj, I told that one I'll be demonstrating this in the next laboratory sessions. Am I right? Am I right, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show this one to you all people. Mute. I'm going to show this all to you people. I've added assignment number 4, right? Which you can do it very quickly today, tomorrow, and submit it. Other things we'll see it, right? Now, as a part of this, what I've said is study the access permission of a given file. I can modify the access permission using change mode command. I'm going to demonstrate this. And also as a part of this, okay, study the following UNIX command: cat listing the content of the file, ls list directory contents, okay, mv to rename a file, cp to copy a file, rm to remove a file, change mode the change file mode bits and all. Today we are going to see all these things, right? Assignment number 4, which you'll be quickly, okay, doing all these things, right? Now let me get into this. Is what theoretically when you study we need to understand it by practice. Some of the things will show, some many other things you have to do it on your own, and this is the style of the learning. Then only you can do placement better. Anything you come across, okay, find out internet, find out in the internet and get into. Now let's get into this. Hope this is visible. My Unix screen is visible to you all people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now look into that. I'm in the okay terminal, right? And yesterday I created one file. Executable file. Say call it as I'll show you ls command. Ls has a different options. You can try this and see. Ls minus l, the all attributes of that file to be listed in a long format. L stands for, right? There are many other options. You have to refer the manual and just look into that, right? Listing of directory content particular. Now look at that. It lists the directory contents. There are a lot of attributes are there in this, but I wanted only one ls minus l particular file. Okay, I'll clear the screen. Wait. Then I'll say ls minus l, the name of the file UPK. It is an executable file, right? Which I kept it here. Now look into that. There are a lot of attributes are being displayed, which you can see it on the screen. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Right. Now look into that. Manoj. Okay. Okay. This is the name of the file, right? This is the timestamp of creation, right? Now there are many things. This is the size of the file in bytes, right? This is the user. This is the user, and I'll tell you about that this later as when we proceed through all practices and all. Number of links that you have to this, it is only one link. In the sense, for example, Manoj, can you unmute Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Your name is Manoj officially, but what is the name? Okay, how your mother calls you in the home? Can you share publicly? Can you share publicly?
She she calls me Manu, sir.
Manu. Okay, all right. Now look at that. Same person, okay, physical body is being referred as Manoj as well as Manu. Are you getting this? Okay, that is very nice. Mother calls by this name. I'm very happy. Okay, about all mothers calling their children with the short names and all. I'm very happy about all mothers, including my mother. Got it? Right. If Manu and Manoj, two names are being used to refer this particular file stored in the disk, then the number of count will be 2 here. How to do it and all, we will see it. Now, this is not the point of importance. This is a point of importance for all your self-study. But what is the point of importance for the demonstration is this, right? That's right. Now, the first one dash, I'll tell you what about this. It is a type of the file. There are different types of file. You will see it in operating system. Okay, regular file, directory file. Okay, to tell about that one, let me show you ls minus l. I do current directory, entire thing. It will. Now look at that here. Here, when you write here, right, it is a directory file. D. Hope you are getting this. Look at my cursor. D, directory file. Got it. Now at somewhere point, I'm showing here now. Look at that. Is highlighted one. 3. Link is 3. Okay. There are 3 links. Manoj, Manu, and something. Got it. Okay. So thus. But what is the point of interest? Now look at that. Here, somewhere it is being written dash 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 here. Somewhere it is okay. Read, write, execute. RWX is being written. What is this? Right, I told you about okay protection. There is a mechanism controlling access protection. Who can access, who cannot access, that I am demonstrating to you all people. To clear the screen, CLEAR, look into your system. Right, I will pick one file ls minus l upk, though it is a directory listing. I want particular okay file and its attribute, and I wanted you to study all these fields of ls minus l, what it gives. But let me tell you, right, this is an okay regular file, ordinary file. It is not directory, it is a regular file. Right, there are device files are available. Right, we will see all the things later. Now look into that. The symbol used, the first three things put together, first three things put together, first three things put together, this is the access permission for the owner of this particular file. Who is the owner? You are logged in, and your current directory, in that you have created a file. The username, whatever you have created, you are the owner of this. The first three okay things, whatever I highlighted, it refers to the access permission, that what the owner has it. And in that, the first alphabet is R, you can read. Second one is W, write, and X is you can execute that. See, in order to execute a program, run the program or run an executable file, okay, you should have a X cross permission X to that, to owner. Then only you can execute your program. If you don't do that, then you cannot. I'll demonstrate this. Now look at that. I want to run this program, right? You know the dot forward slash y it is. It refers current directory. But if you want to run the file, it is executable file in other directory, you have to use appropriate path. You can try that. Now I'm running this. This is a for program, which we will see it later. Output, input, output, don't bother about that. I'm running this. That means I got the okay X, that permission is there. That's why I have executed this program. Now what I do is I will okay remove the executable permission. Remove the executable permission. Now look at that. Okay, it is the okay. I have to use change mode, chmod, change mode. It will change the mode bits of this particular file, and I want to remove. I want to remove okay the executable permission. Now what happens is okay the first one okay the all these three read, write, execute constitute one octal number, and it is 4 to 1. Okay, the weightage of R is 4, weightage of W is 2, and weightage of okay first one X is 1. Okay, 4 to 1 binary number, you know about that, right? 4 to 1. I wanted the first one 4, read I wanted. W2, weightage is 2, I wanted that. 4 plus 2 equals 6, but executable 1 I don't want. So if I add all these things, 4 plus 2 plus 0, that is 6. I'll say that one, the owner should have a 6. It is an octal number, right? It is an octal number. Then other things I'll keep it. Okay, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. The now look into that. The next three okay alphabets are for the group. You can form the group when you're doing a project. You can be member. Okay, all the members in the group other than owner has a full rights, right? Okay, other members in your project, what permission you wanted to have. read, write, execute. No, I don't want to give anything. I want for my group members to have a, okay, no read, no write, no execute. That means 4 to 1. 4 weightage is 0. Okay, 2 weightage is 0, and executable 1 weightage is 0. Okay, that is 0, 0, 0. Everything is 0. Similarly, okay, next 3 bit is for others. There are many other users of the system. What permission you as owner of this file you want to give for others? I don't want to give anything, again 0. Right? On this file, please remember change mode is a command minus, right, remove. Right? Then whatever that you wanted, that you mention it here. Right? Now what I'll do is I'll press this. Okay, it has changed the access permission of the file UPK. What has done? Let's see that one. Earlier one, you know about that. ls minus l UPK. Now look into that. Right? Okay, here read, write, execute, read, write, execute. Right? Okay, it has removed this. What it is removed? Right? 6 means minus is used. Okay, change mode minus, remove, okay, whatever being mentioned. Right? And here 6, first 3 things refers to owner. Read, write I want to remove. Executable I have kept it. Right? I cannot read this, I cannot write it, but I can execute this. Okay, let's try this. Right? Okay, dot forward slash UPK. Can I execute it? I can execute it. Right? Then I want to edit this one. Can I happen? Right? Now look into that. Okay, one of the command is cat to read the content of that. Right? Cat UPK. Now look at that. What it said? Permission denied. Though I am the owner, permission is denied. Why? Because the first 3 alphabets here in this marked one. First one is read, second one is write, third one is execute. I've changed my own access permission. Read, write, okay, I removed it. So when cat command is used to display the content of the file, but executable file, you cannot display that. Right? So permission is denied. Simply, if you wanted to write into that one, it says no, you don't have permission to write into that. Now I want to change this one. Change chmod, add. What I will be adding is, I'll be adding, right? Okay, 6. 6 means, okay, now look at that. First one is 4, second one is 2, third one is 1. 4 to 1, right? 4 plus 2, 6. That means read, write, I'm giving permission. Right? Executable, I want to remove it. So 4 plus 2 plus 0 is 6. Then other things, I'll keep it. The first number 6 refers to 4 plus 2 plus 0 for owner. Second one, okay, for, okay, group, all permission is there. For, okay, others, all permission is there. When you do it on this file, this is executable file, remember. Right? Now when you look at ls minus lupk, right, please see here, right, you have, right, you added this, right? Earlier executable permission was there, read, write, you have added it. Okay, but now when I run this, I can do it, but I want to remove the executable things and run this file and see. It should not allow me to run. Chmod minus remove it. What to remove? Executable, right? That means 1. 1 is 4 to 1 combination. Here, okay, where is that? Here, 4 to 1. 4 and 2 I am not touching. First one, R is 4, W is 2, and X is 1. Weightage. So, remove, minus is remove. What to remove? 1. That means executable remove, but remaining keep it. And okay, other things, okay, I'll say 0, 0. It means that do not touch, do not remove anything from, okay, group and others. Group is this, others is this. Remove this. So on UPK, now see what happens. ls minus l.
Sir, some students are waiting.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, right. Now look into that ls minus l upk when I do it, right? Now what has happened? Right? I said minus one is execute, right? It has removed the execute permission for the owner. And 00, I said the remaining all here, group and others, it will not touch it. So I lost as a owner, I have a read write permission, but I don't have a executable permission. Are you getting it? Now I will make an attempt to execute this and see it will deny me. Dot forward slash UPK, right? Permission denied, right? Any question at this stage? Now the floor is open. Himarashmi and Manoj, you can read anything, any question from the chat box. All of you.
Sir, Sir Sandeep is asking how can we say that the weightage of read is 4?
No, it is a fixed one. It is operating system, right? What is your USN number? Manoj, what is your USN number?
2SD19 CS037.
How do you say that it is your USN number? University has given to you.
Yes, sir.
Fixed, right? Similarly, these are all okay operating system protection mechanism given predefined fixed one in all Unix environment, okay, like this, right? Okay, in that everything is predefined. In your college, where is the canteen? You know it, no? Manoj, where is the canteen? You know it.
Yes, sir.
How do you say that
Yes, sir.
canteen is here only? Because the structure built by institution. This is the structure, this is the rule built by operating system. So here, first one is read, second one is write, third one is execute, okay, for owner of this file. Then read, write, execute, this is for the group members. We will not touch upon that. Who are all group, how to create. Then, okay, 1 minute. Then, okay, read, write, execute for others. Any other user of this operating system. I told you that multi-user operating system. There are n number of users will be there. Can they access? Yes, if you give a privilege, then they can access. So usually for others, you should not give any permission. Okay, I want to remove a permission, right? Say change mode, right? Withdraw, right? What? Nothing for owner, nothing for group, and all 4 to 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. Read, write, execute. 4 is read, write is 2, execute is 1. Fixed. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 7 all you withdraw for others on this file. So now when I do ls minus l, oh sorry, ls minus l name upk, right? You find that, right, for others are withdrawn, they cannot read, they cannot write, they cannot execute also. Who can do? Owner can do. Others cannot change this access permission. Right? Now, okay, look at that. I'm a owner, but I myself removed executable permission for this file. Read is there, write is there, execute is not there. So let's try once again. That dot forward slash upk. It says access permission denied. I will get it now. Change mode, right? Add it, what? Add it means existing thing, whatever it is there, for that I want to add. Read write is there, 4 plus 2 is there. Only 1 is to be added. So I'll say add 1. And for others, I don't want anything to be added. That means, okay, in your exam, you may get a question. Consider that UPK file, okay, has this access permission. Then when I use a change mode, what will be the new access permission? Please remember, this will add executable permission only to the existing access permission of read write for the owner, read write execute for group, and okay, no permission for this on UPK. See here. When you do ls minus L on UPK, see here, right? Execute has been added. This only I have added. Other things, whatever existing thing is there, they have been carried forward. Plus is that. Minus is whatever you say. Equal to is there. Ls equal to. Okay, sorry. Change mode. chmod. Minus is there. Remove whatever mentioned. Plus is there. Whatever mentioned. Add to existing one. And there is equal to. Sorry. There is equal to. What is this? Okay, you have to look into that. Right? Okay, to know, I don't know now. Okay, whatever that is equal to. Right? Okay, check it. Man, chmod. Right? So change mode. Here everything is given. See here. See here. Okay. The operator plus causes the selected file mode bits to be added to the existing file mode bits of each file. That means given only one file. You can give more than one file. Space one file. Space one file. Causes them. Okay. Minus. Now look at that. Minus causes them to be removed as shown. And equal to causes them to be added and causes unmentioned bit to be removed. This is a final addition. Existing thing will get added. Minus existing thing from that get removed. Equal to means no matter what is existing, this is the final. I'll demonstrate now. This is how self-learning you people have to do it. Hope I'm okay convincing you all people. Right now, let's try. Right, I'll say ls minus L UPK. What is there? Read write execute for owner, read write execute for group, and no access permission for others. Now, what is that I'll do is I'll say chmod change mode equal to, what is that I do? Okay, I'll keep read write execute permission for myself owner. Y is 7, read is 4, W is 2, X is 1, 4 plus 2 plus is 1. Then my group members, I'll tell you how to do create a group and all later. My group members, I wanted to give only read permission, no write and execute. So only read means what? 4 to 1. In that only 4 is there, right? I'll say 4. Then for others also I'll give only read permission, right? Only read permission, that is 4 on the file UPK. Now you will get a question in the exam. Consider the name UPK file which has a read write, okay, which has access permission to owner, group and others as given below. A change mode with this command, what is the output of this? What changes it will bring? It will write add read write execute. It will not add, it will make read write execute for the owner. It will make only read for the group. It will make only the read for others, no matter what is existing in this. This is one question. Or how change mode equal to is different from plus, demonstrate with the example. I'll create a question bank and give access to Himarashmi and Manoj, which I didn't do it today. I'll do it. So now look into that. Thus, please remember, change mode equal to, will set whatever that is given, remove, okay, ignoring whatever existing thing is. This is the final access permission. 7 is read and execute for owner. 4 is only read for the group. 4 is another, last 4 is read only for others. I'll do it now. Now look into that. See the difference. Okay, original thing is there here. Now impact. So read write execute for the, okay, owner is there. Then no matter what is existing thing, this is the final I showed you. Read only access is for the group members and read only for others. Any question at this stage? What are the different options for change mode? Minus, plus, and equal to. How are they different? See what happens when you do it, when you practice it, your placement will be better because you remember it. You remember it. And I don't want to confuse more, right? Right? Today afternoon, we'll have one more session at 2:30. Manoj, because we are going into
Yes, sir.
today, we are going into the depth of that. So
Okay, sir.
I have to show about the fork, EXEC and all, which is part of the laboratory, right? So now what I'll do is I'll stop only this, right? Those who have a Unix operating system, you can try all these things. You can take a screenshot, a snapshot also, right? So today 2:30 we'll meet as an extra point, right? Now any question at this stage? And those who have a Unix
Sir,
system, try this. Huh? Okay.
what is the meaning of weightage?
Weightage is right. Okay. The this first bit, first alphabet value is 4, fixed. If it is not a dash, if some R is present here, it means that value is 4. 4. Second one is 2. Third one is 1. So value, this is called weightage, right? The value associated, positional value. They are called positional value. In this case, for others, now look at that. R, it is a positional value is 4. Second one is dash, 2, not exist. Third one is again 1, not exist. So 4 plus 0 is 4. This value is being used during the change mode. Got it? Whenever, okay, how do you, okay, provide? Now, in this case, you are given positional value for owner, group, and others, right, on the file UPK. So 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1, all three positions are there. 4 means read only is there, first position only there, okay, and 4 means, okay, only first position is there. To indicate that this is being used, this is fixed. Okay, understood? 4 credits course.
Yes, sir.
4 credit course. What is the 4 credit course? It is used to compute SGPA. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
4 credit is a weight. Some are 3 credit course. Some are 2 credits course. This course is 3 credit course. If the weightage is 3 credit, that means okay, it is okay 202 model. What is 202 model? Two is two theory classes, 2 hours of theory class per week, 0 tutorial, no tutorial, and practice 2 hours per week tutorial. That is the weightage 202 model. Am I right, Manoj?
Yes. Yes, sir.
LTP. Look at syllabus. L is lecture, T is tutorial, P is practical. So this course is 202 weightage. What is that? 2 theory classes, 0 tutorial, and 2 practice okay, classes per week. That is a weightage. Any questions? Otherwise, we'll stop.
Sir, instead of using equal to, can we change it by using minus symbol also, sir?
Okay, minus symbol. Now look at that. The purpose of equal to is different. I told you. Minus is different, plus is different. Right? Even in mathematics also plus, minus and equal to all are different, you know. Okay. Right? Plus says that whatever existing thing is there, for that you add a new one. Minus, whatever existing thing is there, I remove this. Equal to says, I don't know what is existing, I don't want. This will be the final these things, irrespective of what is existing thing. Right? Assigning things. And this will be a one more question, you will get it.
So
How,
how do we acknowledge all the values from the system?
how do you acknowledge all the value from system? What is the meaning of that?
Sandeep has posted, sir.
Okay, okay. The people who have posted this, you can unmute and ask me, how do you acknowledge means what? It is access permission. Either add access permission or remove access permission. So that who can do what? Do what means what? Read, write, execute. Who all? Owner. Who all? Group members. Who all? Anybody in operating system, a user. So when you come to college, when you all of you use the same server, you will understand all these things. You will practice that one. Make an attempt to read, okay, others file. He will say that one, sorry, you cannot read. Then change. Ask your friend to change the permission and see that one you get it. Provided you can get into. 1 minute. 1 minute. There is a call. Hello. Sir, class ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಜೋಶಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಓಕೆ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ವೇಟ್ okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, I will stop now. I wanted you all people, okay, those who have Unix operating system, try this. Right. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll stop sharing the screen. 1 minute, please. All of you wait. Uh, as many as 59 student. Earlier it was 60 student. Okay, participated in this. Right. All those who have a system, try this. All those who don't have a system, wait for that. Right. Okay, then can you get online somewhere, okay, platform available, check it, you can do it. Otherwise, when you come and join, okay, offline classes in campus, we will give extra time slot. You'll be trying all those things here. Okay, so that's all. Manoj, Himarashmi, I will stop the session. You people can try in your system. Right, today 2:30 I will
Thank
meet.
you, sir.
Today 2:30 we will meet, and if I have any other work, then I will let you know. Right, but 2:30 we will meet. All of you should join at 2:30. Hope you don't have any other engagement. Am I right, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye, thank you. I'll close the meeting.